Welcome to our tutorial on how to use Path's vaccine cost calculators for middle-income countries. If your country receives support from Gavi, the Vaccine Alliance, please try using our calculators designed specifically for Gavi-eligible countries. This video specifically walks through the pneumococcal conjugate vaccine cost calculator for middle-income countries. Please note that these instructions can also be directly applied to our rotavirus vaccine cost calculator for middle-income countries, as the two tools function the same way. These two vaccine cost calculators aim to help national-level policymakers in middle-income countries compare products and estimate vaccination program costs for different PCV and rotavirus vaccine options. The calculators, which are in Microsoft Excel format, can help with both vaccine introduction and product switch decision-making. It is important to note that cost is only one consideration, and users involved in decision-making around new vaccine introduction or switches should also consider other dimensions as well. These models are meant to provide insights into the potential cost of alternative product choices and should not replace detailed budget planning once a product has been selected. Now, let's move on to the calculator. Please begin by reviewing the Read Me First worksheet for detailed instructions on how to use the calculator. This worksheet provides a broad orientation to the tool, provides potential sources of data for selected inputs, and shows all calculations directly built into the tool for reference. The calculator will provide costs and cold chain volume estimates for up to 4 different vaccine options at a time, annually, and for a period of 5 years. Costs estimates include vaccine costs, which is composed of vaccine and supplies procurement and international shipping, and vaccination program costs, which is composed of vaccine costs and immunization delivery cost. The calculator has 4 worksheets among which you can easily navigate using the color-coded tabs located here: Read Me First, Inputs, Dashboard, and Results. The Input worksheet is where you start your analysis by adding data for several selected parameters, starting with information on your immunization program. You will indicate what year you want the analysis to start, the size of the annual target population and growth rate, and the expected coverage rates for each dose of vaccine. The start year could be either when you aim to introduce pneumococcal conjugate vaccine for the first time or when you expect to switch to a new pneumococcal conjugate vaccine product. Note that all cells requiring your input are green. Purple cells like this in the vaccine options and cost section indicate drop-down menus from which you have to select options. This is where you select the vaccine options you want to include in the analysis. Each purple cell contains the same drop-down menu of all currently available product options in the global market. The first column is for the vaccine currently in use, if applicable, or your preferred first choice for introduction. Option 4 allows you to fully customize a vaccine option in case it is not available from the drop-down list. For example, if you have a domestic product available, you can enter the relevant information for it here. The information in white cells corresponds to either automatically calculated data or default data pulled in from different sources, such as the indicative wastage rate. You cannot change these cells. However, you can make changes to the green cells to customize details about vaccine price, wastage rates, buffer rates, cost of supplies, or costs related to immunization delivery. The final section of the Inputs worksheet provides an optional scenario analysis where more than one vaccine is expected to be used at the same time. Access this function by clicking the plus symbol on the left. You can compare up to 3 different scenarios by indicating the potential percentage use for each of the vaccines using the purple drop-down menus. Each scenario must involve a combination of 2 or more products with a total proportion that equals 100%. With all of these fields completed, the results are automatically calculated on both the dashboard and results worksheet. The dashboard provides a summary of results for the main calculator outputs, doses required for the program, cold chain volume, total vaccine costs, and total vaccination program costs. Conditional formatting highlights the options representing a lower volume or cost in green, and those with higher volume or cost are in red with yellow shades in between. Percentage variations are also provided and are calculated compared to the first option, referred to as the current or preferred option. The dashboard also provides results for the optional scenario analysis. Again, you can access this information by clicking the plus symbol on the left. The conditional formatting is continued here with the same green, yellow, and red indicators. The results worksheet provides an extended version of the results with all data calculated for number of doses, cold chain volume, and cost for each year as well as for the 5-year period. Conditional formatting is also used here to highlight options with the lowest cost or volume in green and the highest cost or volume in red. We hope you found this tutorial video useful. If you encounter any issues or challenges in using any of our calculators, please email us at heor@path.org and we will be happy to support you. All our calculators are available in English, French, and Spanish. Use this QR code or web link to quickly access the web page to download the specific calculator you need. Before using one of the calculators, please check this web page to make sure you are using the most recent version. Thank you for using Path's vaccine cost calculators.